So your mom got pregnant and had to give away the bird because the bird was getting mouthy.
And my cousin Willow and apparently she let the bird out of the cage. It was in a house somewhere.
Yeah, somewhere.
And then they found the bird smashed behind the bed.
All the things that could have happened to that bird behind the bed. What are the chances that your parents were like f***ing and smashed the bird? Did you do that? You made that noise? Dude, your dad telling his friends about your f***ing... Yeah, I'm pretty good, dude. Got my wife pregnant, made her chirp. You ever make your wife chirp, Greg? Fucking smashing two birds with one bed, dude. Yeah, that deserves that. Yeah.